up to 39, that's okay. In some cases, two operators can be number one if the results are equivalent. So there's a bit of overlapping. But this is 39 cases, and 51 times out of 39, CSL is the best network. To give you an idea, and again, Pedro Lopez from something that will go in detail, but what we are testing is different categories, like for data and for voice. For data, we measure the call integrity, the accessibility, the retainability, and you can see integrity means it's, for example, speed and broadband coverage. What is the average speed you are getting, and what is the extent of the coverage? Accessibility is the connection success rate. So how successful are the calls when you're trying the phone? And again, we're doing thousands of calls to make those statistics. Retainability is the ability to complete your call normally. So it's not a drop off. You complete the call normally. What you can see in all of those categories is that CSL, this is where we rank the result of the test, and CSL is number one almost everywhere. Not everywhere. It's impossible to be number